Hello and welcome to my demo of my custom-built CNC machine. You can see it here in its partially painted blue form. I will one day complete the paint job, but I was far too eager to try it out. I designed this machine using the free edition of Google SketchUp. Shown here is a broad 3D overview of the machine I plan to build. The X and Y axis are belt driven using standard 1.8 degree NEMA 17 stepper motors. This is the physical machine that I've built. It uses a Proxxon hobby drill to do the milling. I can move the Y axis and X axis independently without having to disconnect the motors. Using Microsoft Visual Studio, I created my own serial interface program. Most of my machine is 3D printed, including these clamps, which I can just screw in to hold the board down. Here I'm connecting a wire to a nut that's connected to the board and a wire that's connected to the drill bit in order to enable height probing. I then send the CNC the command to initialize itself. This homes every axis as well as probes the height at the origin. And of course, it would help if the power is on in the first place. I then give the command to start probing the PC board height. This then goes through a snake pattern, probing the height at different intervals along the X and Y axis. This allows for the board that is not actually flat to be milled according to the correct height that is required. I use a 30-degree V-bit for milling. And because it is V-shaped, the deeper the cut is, the wider it is as well. This makes the correct depth of cut very important, and this is why I always probe my board height. This board was just a simple test of the CNC. It was created for one SMD resistor and one SMD LED, both of the 1206 sizes. The electronics consist of an Arduino-based USB-to-Serial converter, as well as a custom-built CNC controller, which is based on a PIC18F 46K20